Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy Learning German with Ritu. And this is lesson number 7 for A1 language learning series. And today we are going to learn the countings. So let's start. One is called as eins. Eins. EI is the I sound we did in the last lesson plan 6, right? So, eins. One is eins. Say loudly. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf. Please write it. Eins, zwei, drei. It is not wir. V is the first sound. So, vier. Fünf. You with two dots. Okay? Fünf. One more time. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf. Number 5, fünf. Written, shall I move forward? Now, six is sechs. Okay, not six. Sechs, sieben. Sieben. IE is E sound. Sieben. Acht. In this, CH is the K sound. Acht. T at the end. Acht. Neun. Zehn. One more time. Sechs. Sieben. Acht. Neun. Zehn. Let's revise 1 to 10 again quickly. Eins. Loud and clear. You have to speak after me. Eins. Zwei. Drei. Vier. Fünf. Sechs. Sieben. Acht. Neun. Same. Very good. We have done so far 10. We'll do now 11 to 20 also. Now 11 is elf. Elf. Say elf. 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 12th is wolf. O with two dots. Zwolf. Wolf at Z. Zwolf. 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 Now 13 to 19 is very, very easy. You need to follow this formula. What is 13 ultimately? 3 plus 10. So 3 plus sen becomes 13. 14 is 4 plus 10. So fear, sen. Sen is 10 number and fear is 4 number. So fear, sen. Same way, fünf, sen. 5 plus 10. 5 and then 10 becomes 15. 6 plus 10, Zex plus sane becomes Zexane. Let's repeat again. Elf, 11 is elf. 12. 3 plus 10, Dreizehn. In German, we always read right to left. First this number and then this number. So that's why 3 plus 10 you have to say. 14, in 14 also we will read 14 number first and then 1. 4 and 1. So 4 plus 10, 14. 15. 5 plus 10, 15. Sechzehn. 11, 12, 13. 13. 14, 15, 16. Write it, pause and write it, please. Now, 17 is Siebzehn. It is not Siebenzehn. 7 is Sieben, but as exception, हम क्या लिखेंगे? Siebzehn. Sieben नहीं लिखेंगे हम. Sieb लिखेंगे बस. Siebzehn. Siebzehn. Achtzehn. 18 is Achtzehn. 19, Neunzehn. Neunzehn. And what is 20? Zwanzig. Zwanzig. 17, 18, 19, 20. Same formula. 8 plus 10, 9 plus 10, and 20 is 20. Now let's repeat quickly 1 to 20. Eins. Repeat after me, okay? Loudly. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Please practice 1 to 20 again by pausing the video, speak it loud so that you can practice and there is no problem in speaking. कोई problem नहीं होनी चाहिए. Speaking is very, very important. Now we will do 21 to 31. Again, I have written a small formula. 21 is 1 and 20. Earlier we did 1 plus 20, right? 1 plus 4 plus 10, 5 plus 10, 6 plus 10, 7 plus 10. Now we have to write in this format 1 and 20. That means this 1 first and then 20 later. And we are using, not plus. So ein, in 1 you will not write eins, only ein. S will not come. Ein und 20. 1 and 20 becomes one word. Ein und 20. No space in between. Same 22 is 2 and 20 becomes 22. 22, then one word answer 22. 22. Same 23, 3 and 20. So 23. 24, 4 and 20, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. 30 is 30. Either you write double S or this asset sign, one of the same thing. Okay. It is not B, it is called as asset in German. I have covered in sounds chapter. Okay. Yesterday, that means lesson number 6. Okay. So do from there. You can watch that also. So I am repeating again. 21, 21. You can pause the video to note down later. First speak with me. 22, 22. 23, 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. Now same rule is applicable. 31 is 31. 31. Because double S is written, not Z. Now same formula. 2 and 30, 3 and 30, 4 and 30, 5 and 30, 6 and 30. Same way you need to follow. Okay. So I've written still some of them. We'll do up to 100. First note down these. These are very important. Multiples of 10. So 10 is 20. What is 10? 10 is 10. 20 is 20. 30 30. 40. 40. Z-I-G is written. So zig. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. Again. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. Note it down, pause the video and note it down. Now some examples I have given which will help you to learn better. Like randomly I have written, you have to write complete 31 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 up to 100. But to give you an idea, I've written some words from each line. So 34 is 34. 36 36. डबल एस लिखो या बीटा साइन दोनों चीजें ठीक है जो कंफर्टेबल हो 37 37. 38 38. 40 is fear sick. But आपको सब कुछ लिखना है 31 to 40. Okay? Then same examples like 42. 42 45 6 46 48 and 50 is 50. Okay? I've given some examples. Now same. 54 is fear und 50. 56 6 und 50. 57 7 und 50. 58 8 und 50. 60 is 60. 61 61. 64 4 und 60. 65 65. 69 9 und 60. 70 70. Same 74 and 80 examples. Fear 74 4 und 70. 76 6 und 70. 77 7 und 70. 78 8 und 70. 80 is 80. 88. 81 is 81. 83 83. 85 85. 89 89 and 90 is 90. Now 91 to 100 I've written all of it. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 100 and 1000 is 1000. 1000. आई होप आप सब लर्न कर पाए होंगे. बार बार वीडियो देखिए, रिपीट करिए मेरे साथ. इट विल हेल्प यू. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज देन वी विल डू टाइम टेलिंग. टाइम टेलिंग भी आएगा चैप्टर्स में. ओके, सो प्लीज लर्न 1 to 100 फॉर श्योर. बी कॉन्फिडेंट. So you can make this question also. Wie ist Ihr Telefonnummer? That is formal. आपका टेलीफोन नंबर क्या है? Wie ist deiner Telefonnummer? Informal. तुम्हारा टेलीफोन नंबर क्या है? What is your telephone number? Informal. Answer, meiner Telefonnummer ist, and then you can tell the number. Meine Telefonnummer ist. My telephone number is. Extension for telephone number in German is called as Vorwahl. Vorwahl. Okay. So I've written here. आपका टेलीफोन नंबर इज ईयर. तुम्हारा टेलीफोन नंबर इज डाइना. Your informal and your formal. Please note it down. And mobile number is the handy number. What do we say mobile number? The handy number. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Keep watching. Do subscribe and keep watching for more videos.